Okay, Gryphon, I know.
Perez, A Company. CP's this way. The lieutenant got hit as soon as we dropped in.
What are you supposed to do, Cray? You're supposed to, like,
Sergeant Banks, ma'am.
when you jump off the crane, you're supposed to crouch and walk.
After reinforcements, I didn't think.
Or you're just supposed to walk forward.
We got trouble.
See this look? It's terror!
Marine, did I give you permission to bitch? I don't think it's stopped. Get your heads down.
Okay, I got it.
Really starting to piss.
Sir!